to earth and not through your body. If the ground prong is broken off, or the ground wire is broken, or there is a gap in the electrical ground, the electricity will have nowhere to go except through the person holding the tool. This tells you that it's very important to inspect your electrical equipment for defects before you use the equipment. Some tools afford you shock protection by double insulating the inside of the tool. In the event of a short or other malfunction, the operator is protected by this double insulation. You may notice some electrical tools that only have 2 prongs on the electrical plug. The first thing you should do is check the manufacturer's data plate for the words double insulated. If you see an electrical tool with only 2 prongs and the tool does not state it is double insulated, then do not use this particular tool until it's replaced or repaired for the proper ground. Regardless of the type of shock protection on your electrical tool, it won't help if you're using the equipment near water, liquids, or other unsafe conditions. Sweaty palms or perspiration when using electrical tools is also unsafe, as a wet or moist environment is extremely hazardous around electricity. Another good tip is never carry any equipment by the electrical cord. Yanking cords out of the wall receptacle by the cord is also unsafe. Remove the plug from the wall receptacle by holding the plug, not the cord. When using any type of electrical equipment, always inspect the plugs, cords, cables, and attaching hardware for frays, cracks, cuts, or damage. Electricity is nothing to fool with, so don't take chances with your equipment. If it's not safe to use, don't use it. You've all seen or probably used octopus receptacles and plugs to increase the electrical outlets. When you do this, you're exceeding the design of the wall receptacle, and if you use too much current or amps, you can trip circuit breakers and, even worse, overload the circuit and quite possibly cause a fire. Don't use octopus plugs. Another safety factor around electricity is using 3-prong adapters, such as the one shown here. It has 3 prongs for you to insert your grounded plug, but it only has 2 prongs for the receptacle. The idea is to use this grounding wire and connect it to the wall receptacle, which is supposedly designed to ground the system. These types of plugs are unsafe and should never be used in any industrial environment. In fact, they should never be used in your home either. Okay, let's quickly review some more basic safety tips. The first tip is relating to power drills. All drill bits must be sharp in order to drill safely. Dull bits can damage the material or can break and cause a serious injury. Be sure drill bits are sharp and in good condition. When you're drilling, don't use excessive force. If you need a larger drill or some other type of equipment to do the job,